I'm Dr. Arica Rock at Bloomington-Normal Audiology. Welcome to I Hear You, where the audiologists at BNA answer your hearing-related questions. John in Pontiac asks, hearing aids seem less expensive at big box stores. Do they work the same? Great question. When deciding where you want to go, it's important to really compare what you're getting. And I feel like service is somewhat lacking at big box stores. People that have gotten their hearing aids at Costco, for instance, they think it's the newest thing available, and it might be 2 models ago. And they're advertising it as the newest up-to-date technology when that's not necessarily true. They often do the hearing test for free, and so if you hear the word free, you think you're getting a great deal. Oftentimes the software is locked, so if you do decide to go somewhere else for service, our hands can be tied and we can, not be able to make any programming changes because of that. Another issue to kind of consider though is the turnover. They tend to have providers there for short periods of time. And so if you do have a problem down the road, when you go back, it's not going to be the same person. It's hard to develop a relationship with your provider if they're not familiar with your history. In our experience, developing a relationship with our patients really helps to create a better outcome. We often take our time in the testing and do more than just the beeps and single words to really get a feel for what the need is, and also lots of questions about your lifestyle and what's going to be appropriate for you, but we can also consider your budget too. We also pride ourselves in follow-up. We have a system to keep people coming back in so we can keep their hearing devices working properly. People don't realize that hearing aids require maintenance, and it's not something that you put in your ears every day and never come back for cleanings and checkups. Hope that helped. If you have more questions, let us know. I'm Arica Rock at Bloomington-Normal Audiology. We're here for you.